Good morning. Welcome to Advanced Pharmacognosy Practicals. Today we are going to see about determination of ash value. The requirements for ash value, we need a silica crucible, the silica crucible with the lid. For holding the crucible, we need a tongs holding the crucible and a spatula, and this is ashless filter paper and an incinerator. This is the incinerator and a weighing balance, desiccator, mandle, crude drug. Today we are going to use licorice. This is a crude drug, a powdered crude drug, a beaker, funnel, and 0.5 normal HCl, distilled water, concentrated sulfuric acid. These are the requirements for the doing ash value. This is the incinerator. So we should not touch the incinerator here. We have to hold the incinerator here. This gives a maximum of 600 degrees centigrade. Switch on the, and it gives, if you switch it on, it gives a red light. This is low, medium and high. Slowly we have to increase the temperature. First low gives 200 degrees centigrade. Once it reaches 200 degrees centigrade, this lights cut off. Once it cut off, we have to increase to 400 degrees centigrade. Once it reaches the 400 degrees centigrade and the lights cut off, then you have to increase the 600 degrees centigrade. Step by step, you have to increase the temperature of this incinerator. So now, pass. So first we have to weigh the crucible. So I have to keep the crucible, and the weight is 31.83 grams. You have to note it. So this is total ash value. Weight of the crucible plus lid. Weight of the crucible plus lid is 55.08. 55.08 grams. Now we are adding the powdered crude drug, 2 grams of the powdered crude drugs. Now the weight is crucible plus lid is 55.07, 2 grams of drug, 56. Okay. So that exactly 2 grams of the crude drug. So 50 weight of the crucible plus lid plus crude drug, 57.08 grams. Yes. Weight of crucible plus lid is A grams, and this is lid crucible plus drug is B grams, and B minus A is A gram, that is 57.08 minus 55.08, it is exactly 2 grams. Now we are keeping this crucible plus drug in this incinerator. First you have to switch on this incinerator. Now this is working condition. So with help of an tongs, you are holding this crucible. I am keeping the crucible inside and placing over this. After closing the lid, I am switching on the incinerator. I am keeping it this is low, 200 degrees centigrade. Once it cut off, we have to increase the heat. Once it reaches the temperature, so the lights cut off. That means it reaches the 200 degrees centigrade. So once it reaches 200 degrees centigrade, it lights cut off. So this cuts off. So now I am increasing to 400 degrees centigrade. So once it's break down, it reaches 400 degrees centigrade.